Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you the first footage of Robin Hood Legend of Sherwood full version. Let's start it up. Um, for those who don't know Apollo Team or Robin Hood game, I will explain a little bit. My name is Willem Driver, I'm from the Apollo Team and our mission is to revive Amiga. And as part of that journey, we are looking at porting games that were made for platforms after the Amiga stopped developing. So we chose Robin Hood, The Legend of Sherwood as a game that was typical Amiga stylish game targeted for PC. At that moment, that was the preferred platform for games, and it's a really graphical game, nice point and click adventure. And we decided to do an experimental project to see if we can port and enhance and rewrite the game so it can work on Amiga. So let's set up a profile and just play the game. I probably will do a separate video about the development and coding side of this project, but for now it's just fun and just like to share with you how the game is playing now on mission level 1, which is a fairly easy level, so there's still a lot of work to do to get across the missions that are more enhanced, but it will still give you a nice idea of the overall gameplay. So it's loading and now into the first city of Lincoln. And as you can see, it's a nice area. Um, and the game itself is just played by clicking and following the instructions. So you can move around with your mouse and see what your game field is. And then you can use your character to move around. And in the later levels you get more characters, so you can play with a team and really do team play efforts. So the gameplay is just following instructions, picking up scrolls, so you can see these kind of tips like how to knock off a soldier. Let's do that. Sneak up to him like this and then knock him out. Ooh. Okay, let's put a little bit more volume on the game. And you see here it's not conscious, so the stars now are bigger and they get smaller and smaller. And when they are gone, the soldier is awake again. So I have to move on. I can pick up the scroll here, see what that says. I can say, okay, I can climb the wall. Let's do that. And we can overview here the courtyard. And as you can see, I have a scroll here with a red ribbon, which is a critical scroll. You have to follow them to get a lead through your mission. So in this example, I have to use my bow and arrow skills. Let's pick up some arrows and see if we can fool the soldiers by shooting in the bullseye, which means that the patrol head, the leader, is going away and his team follows. It gives us some room now to go to this next red scroll. And as you can see here, Robin moves quite gallantly, and if he's obscured by some walls or something, you can see a nice outline. It's those nice graphical details that really make it worthwhile playing. So let's see, we have some money here, and we have a beggar. And the beggar is quite crucial because if you go to the beggar, you give him some money, he will give you tips in return. And this example gives us the route to the next scroll. And this scroll will point us where I get some money. And this money you can use for gameplay. You also have money to score for your high score here. But this is actually money I have here to use for another purpose, like the very funny distraction you can use with money. Just throw it in front of the soldiers and they will fight each other for it because they are poorly paid, like soldiers always are. And now I just have to fight one. So it's these kind of nice strategic things that are making this game nice to play. You have to think and act and not just kill everyone. Of course, it's now set to very easy mode, so you see I'm very easily winning from these soldiers, but that's not the case when you set it to difficult, I can tell you. Okay, let's pick up these arrows, go back to the beggar, and you can see it really works nice. And here the minimap comes again, a minimap instant access to the whole area, and you can see the whole area laid out with all the red dots for the soldiers.
Take these few coins.
Some more coins. Okay, look here. This seems interesting. Let's go here.
Let's go. Who wants me?
I can follow Robin just by clicking. There he goes, or just by scrolling. You see it's very smooth, so it's nice gameplay. Interaction with civilians also helps you get along the game. His son Godwin, we have to go to Godwin to finish this mission and to go to the next level where we can gather our crew, and from there we go on to Sherwood, where the real fun starts with like 20 or 30 missions or something. It's really huge game. So let's see if we can find a way out. If I look correctly, there's a drawbridge here. So let's move Robin to the drawbridge and see if we can then go to Godwin.
On guard.
I have to fight my way out. No problem. If I'm fighting, I'm just using the mouse to do different kind of attacks moves. Okay, that worked. There's a drunk guy here.
Who wants me?
Okay, let's see where Robin is. Oh, there he is. Coming, yeah. Okay. So we hack through the drawbridge.
Let's go.
I saw you.
I saw you too.
Well?
Let's do this.
Let's go.
And I also can use the minimap to quickly just point where I want to go. And also can use shortcuts to point where I like to go, and then Robin will remember it here. And I can just double click it,
On guard.
and it will go there.
Me?
Some more soldiers I have to take care of. That will be fine. You can see I still have some stamina there, a little bit damage. Pick up some arrows. Hold there. Kill him. And then we're almost there. And before killing off the last ones, I would like to show you the menu. If you hit escape during the game, you can go to the menu, and from there you can set options. Options like the graphic modes. It's running now in 848 by 480. It's the default mode, but we have some possibilities to tweak settings. I have all the nice features enabled now, so I'm really running in full mode. I can also use the classic animated pointer, which I will enable for now to show you. I can do some sound settings, like the 2D stereo test and the frequency of the comments and the background music volume. Continue. As you can see, the cursor is now changed to the real Robin Hood classic cursor, which is depending if you like it or not. I like the Amiga cursor better, but you can use this as well. You can see it works very smoothly also. It doesn't really have any noticeable lagging for a software sprite. You could expect that, but it's not that. Oh, I really have to fight now. Oh, go to mama, yeah. Okay, so let's finish. Where are we? Oh, there.
That's Robbie.
Okay, this should be it for this mission. I hope you like this preview again of Robin Hood, the full version now. And we hope to give you some more news very soon. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.